Town Council and County Council is really interesting because that active engagement is very important for Town Council to see what's happening at County. Because ultimately what we do at Town Council drives County Council policy forward. The place plan is really interesting. We were able to get lots of people in talking about what they want, the housing issues, school issues, the health centre issues, and how we can manage all of those facilities. So it's an active engagement, and the officers, like I've said before, are absolutely brilliant. They will come and advise.
Dwi'n cynrychioli dwi ar gyngor cymuned, dwi'n mynychu 4 cyngor cymuned yn ardal Caerhun, dwi'n aelod o cyngor Sir Conwy a dwi'n aelod o cyngor Sir. So maen nhw yn wahanol, mae rwy'n ar gyngor cymuned yn agosach at I gymuned ac yn gyfod gwrando ac mae o'n ble da I gael cysidro be ydy'r problemau lleol. Ond unwaith mae'n mynd ar y sir a rwy'n edrych ar y darlan cyfan y gweithgareddau sydd yn gyflwyno tŵr sir mewn ffordd.
I think the most important thing as a councillor is to work really closely with your colleagues. You know, very few decisions are made alone. You have to get support from other members, so that collaboration is really important. For myself, with my sporting background, I'm really proud that I was able to secure funding to put a new 4G pitch in the leisure centre where we are today. I think it's been a fantastic facility and that the previous one wasn't fit for purpose. Within the rugby club, I have a role of fundraising, so I'm always looking for grants and funds, but I actually came across a Welsh Government scheme which we couldn't apply for, but I brought it to the Town Council and we were able to secure £500,000 of Welsh Government funding for an NROS scheme, which is a green gala, which will make substantial improvements to the green environment in our parks and our facilities within the town over the next couple of years or so.
Da ni'n lwcus iawn fel cyngor, mae gennym ni Parc Ceirias a Fenyw Cymru I enwi dim ond 2 fel venues really da mwyn cynnal digwyddiadau mawr sydd yn dod â pobl i'r ardal I wario yn yr economi lleol. A fel sir, dwi'n meddwl bod ni'n gwneud job dda iawn yn dod â pobl yma yn yr misoedd y Gwanwyn ac yn yr ha, ond falle bod ni angen fwy o ymdrech rwan I ddod â pobl yma yn ystod y gaea. Swn i'n licio rwan bod y cyngor yn ffocysu ar ddod â pobl yma yn y gaea I wario yn yr economi lleol, I gefnogi busnesau lleol ac I gefnogi swyddi lleol.
I've worked with a young lady that lives on the estate here. She's come to me because she needed support with housing and with mental health and things like that. So I've introduced her to various agencies, one being the Eden Urban Family Centre in Abergele. We've worked with social services due to issues, you know, within the complex family that she comes from. We've worked with housing, so she's gone through North Wales Housing and she's currently waiting for a supported living accommodation for new vulnerable mums. We've gone through quite a lot of agencies there for a really good outcome for this young lady, and she has got a good outcome, which is really positive to see, and she's got a good support network around her. And I don't think I could have done that previously without the knowledge and without the contacts that I've got here and now.
We as county councillors need to really work with the town council so that we can help and support each other. One of the first projects that we undertook all together as a team was following up from a Kickstarter plan funded by Welsh Government to help us establish a community plan, encourage further engagement from the community and really establish our priorities for work going forward. So it's early days with that, but that is a really exciting project. In terms of the town council, county councillors are invited to go along and give updates, quick summaries of what we've been doing, so that all the town councillors know what's going on at county level. If I know that there is a particular town councillor who will take an interest in what is going on with one of our registered social landlords, they will perhaps come along to a meeting with me. We will go together to talk to residents so that people know that they've got a town councillor and a county councillor that they can reach out to.